世界真新鲜，咱来看接触动物对治疗忧郁症真有帮助。在英国就有一只山羊啊，这只羊啊是逐礼拜拢会甲上青的鸡卵送去人兜，真做地方一个真有名的角色。也毋过这2冬因为这只羊啊受伤啊，所以主人决定要互退休。
Okay, here we go.
每礼拜五住伫英格兰牛丁郡这个村的苏老师，伊会牵一只叫做阿伦的山羊，为庄仔内的人送新鲜的鸡卵，4年落来，会当讲所有村民拢对阿伦真熟悉。
Now you got some eggs for me today.
I have. Alan, don't eat the sage. There you
Thank you very
go.
much. Lovely.
You're welcome.
I've got some money.
So you've got some lovely fresh eggs there.
Yep, and Sue brings these on a regular basis.
Now Alan brings them.
Yeah, Alan. Correction. Alan brings the eggs.
What do you make of Alan coming and bringing you eggs?
Well, he eats my flowers for me and various things like that, and he's a real character. And well, I had a builder man here. He said, "I have never seen anything like this in my life." He was just amazed.
苏老师本来饲羊仔是为着要生产羊奶甲起司，山羊讲是送去屠宰场做成羊肉，也毋过阿伦出世了后，伊决定将伊留落来，也毋过留伫农场就爱做事。伊为伊特别制作载物鸡，就安尼逐礼拜五阿伦就爱载2袋鸡卵，行2英里的路，4过去送货，会当讲是庄仔内上受欢迎快送完。也毋过5岁阿伦2年前去马亚攻击受伤，苏老师拍算互伊提早退休，由其他的山羊仔接落去做。刚刚互民众学到的也阁有伊比利半岛上特有学名叫做夏利的大山鸟。西班牙南部最近也放过这种鱼缸顶加一只乌毛当作狩猎的动物。当地的大山鸟因为偷拉垃圾甲生态地放侵占，伫2002年强要灭绝。经过有关当局的积极呼吁，2024年底大山鸟的数量突破1000只，目前受威胁的程度已经为极度濒危下调到濒危的等级。公司新闻张惠敏编译。